There is this video that went viral. It was circulating about what was going on in Osun State, where a Navy commander arrested some political thugs, including a honorable member, and they were carrying guns. They were literally going either to kill Accord party members, or they were going to cause mayhem or disrupt, peaceful movements across the states. So that is what has been going on. People have been dying, people from APC, people from Accord, a lot of things have been going on, and the tension is there. Everybody knows that tomorrow being 15th, Saturday will be bloody in Osun State. And guess what? There are some people who are supporting that, yes, anything that will happen, let it happen. You see, when it comes to creating our future, thinking about what future is going to be, it is important we think before we pick a fight. There are some fight that doesn't worth it. There are some fight that will worth it. You see the way they are killing people just because of governorship election? It is not what you are seeing. These things are beyond the election you are seeing. And I think I will try my best to explain better for you in this video. But the Navy commander who ordered the arrest of APC candidate found with gun in Osun State has been sent out of Osun State. He was now redeployed. They put him out of the state. Why do you stop talks? APC is the worst thing that has ever happened to Africa. APC has destroyed so many things, right from the time they imported Fulani militia, the terrorists, getting to the time they wanted to spread the terrorists in Nigeria through Ruga, till the time they wanted to form parallel government, two governments in Nigeria to overthrow a sitting president. Is there anything APC has not done? In 2023, it was like kill them, stop them, rig the election, highest bidding. And if you think that 2027 is going to be, if you vote, yes, I have voted, we all have voted, so we are expecting to win the election. It's not going to be like that. This is not to demoralize you. I want to tell you the reality you are going to see. The first thing Akpabio did was to remove certificate forgery as an offense to stop someone's election or someone from contesting. Number two, they removed that even though someone completed his ballot paper from home and the features in their ballot paper is different from the one INEC bring, you don't have right to reject it. The law now accepts it. So I can print ballot paper at home, can print it. If I can give it to the presiding officer, the person will collect it and put it inside the ballot box. The law will not stop the person. I hope people are understanding. That is the second thing Akpabio did. The third thing, he did it that even though the BVAS is not working, so you can use manual coalition and everything. So they legalize everything evil for them to rig the election and so on and so forth. So in Osun State now, you can see that they have released people who were carrying guns to kill people because of election. They released them, order from above. They now remove the Navy officer out of Osun State. See, we are wasting our time. We are wasting our time in all this. See, let me tell you, let me be blunt. If you want to go for an election in Osun State, if you have a licensed gun, go with your gun. If you have a licensed gun, protect yourself with your gun. Because what is coming in Osun State is not an election. It's not an election. Now, I might be wrong. Okay? I might be wrong. I'm the one that is just thinking this. It didn't come from anywhere. You see the reason why so many APC folks, especially who are in opposite faith with Governor Adeleke, why they hate him? They hate the man because the man doesn't hide his faith. He doesn't hide his faith as a Christian. Now, this place I'm going, a lot of people will not like it. A lot of people will not like this. Now, if this man, Adeleke, is a Muslim, what is going on in Osun State will not happen. It will not happen. Don't ask me. Don't tell me whether they are using Christians to fight him. If Adeleke is a Muslim, what is going on in Osun State will not happen. They hate the harams that he's doing. The way he dances, the way he sings, the way he dances in the church, that is not what they want. That is not what they want, right? Now, Adeleke, in his smartness, wanted to outsmart and say he's endorsing Tinubu. Tinubu that you're endorsing now for president is the one wanting to remove you. Why? Because Tinubu don't trust you. No, Tinubu don't trust Adeleke. Because after he must have assumed or win the second election or the third election as governor, the first one they denied him. Maybe Adeleke will make a U-turn and said, I'm not supporting Tinubu again. And Tinubu is not winning Oyo because Makinde will fight to finish. He's also a presidential candidate, and even though he's joining other political parties, he will fight to finish. So Tinubu cannot stand losing like Lagos or Osun or Oyo State. Where is he going to win again? So this is beyond Osun State election. It has two phases. One is about Tinubu's 2027 ambition, and one is about Adeleke's religion. Remember that there was a Muslim solo campaign against Adeleke, where Muslim women with hijab, they were doing campaign, not protest, campaigning against Adeleke. That is the first time in my life I'm seeing such a thing. In a heterogeneous state like Osun State, where Muslims are minority, they now have their own personal, campaign, and they started campaigning against the sitting governor. A lot of people will not like this. That is the honest truth. People will not like, all these things. But listen, on Saturday, there will be blood in Osun State. Blood is going to flow. And after that, people will still move on. But I want to tell you something. These people have succeeded in creating a lasting insecurity in Osun State. Either the King win or APC win, the insecurity has already established a background. It's going to be a continuous something like what you are seeing in Imo State, that they are telling you is IPOB. We all knows how it started. It started by Supreme Court declaration that Hope Uzodinma, who came out fourth, is now the governor. That was where the insecurity in the Southeast started. Don't let anybody deceive you. The insecurity we have seen before, that Omahe was talking that Fulanis were invading Ebonyi that time. Everybody were shouting. That one is a different version. We understand at that time all these terrorists were infiltrating the Southeast. But the main insecurity started when the Supreme Court declared Hope Uzodinma winner of that election. Before Hope Uzodinma could return from Abuja, they have burned down his Rolls Royce, raised down his building. APC woman leader was killed. It became recruit bad boys, let me recruit bad boys. That is where Southeast insecurity started. Don't let anybody to tell you otherwise. Okay? Don't let anybody to tell you otherwise. And that is why this Hope Uzodinma will continue to tell you that IPOB is not the causes of insecurity in the Saudi, because he knows where it started. That is what they have succeeded in creating in Oyo State. And don't get it twisted. It's going to hurt so many people. Now, you see, Osun State is not the problem now. The problem is Abuja, and the problem is Nigeria. I want you to understand this. So, the problem now is Abuja, and the problem is Nigeria. If Osun State is not part of Nigeria, what is going on in Osun State will not go on. If Abuja is not interested in Osun State, what is going on there will not go on. Abuja is dangerous. Abuja is very, very dangerous. So, anyhow it goes, don't forget that if you have a gun, keep it by your side, because we are witnessing a civil war on Saturday, not election in Osun State. Take it to the bank. The government has decided, they have decided to free people who want to kill the, who want to kill the people, who want to kill the Osun State people. They have freed them. And look at the other senator that was saying that if you see any court member, kill them. These people are ready for all-out war. So blood is going to flow on Saturday. It's a civil war, not election. These people are preparing. But I want Accord to put up a stiff fight. Put up a stiff fight. If anybody shoot you, shoot the person back. You have your license, you're going to protect yourself, not to chew. No, it's not a chew stick. If anybody shoot you, shoot the person back. Shoot them back. If anybody threatens to kill you, threaten the person back. If anybody comes to kill you, kill the person. Your license, your gun legally, not to choose stick, is to protect yourself. If you hear Gbowai, shoot back. Shoot back. This APC, they don't deserve peace. Threatening to kill people because of election. And DSS can't do anything because they will tell you that they did not receive order. Oh, and this is also the same, reasons why they said they sentenced Nnamdi Kanu to prison because of what he said. Anyway, guide yourself. This is not an election. APC has destroyed Africa. They have destroyed Nigeria beyond repair.
They like it. That's a lot of they like it. Almost you got to say you can get not to want to be yeah, you can break break. I can't. Àdìbò fún mọ́nà ẹrú jí ní òye bá mi jí o. Adáwà kìfáyà tó yẹ tọ́lá àwọn ni wọ́n gbé fún yín o. Wọ́n ní àdìbò fún mọ́nà ẹrú jí ní o. Wọ́n tó mọ yín o. Wọ́n ní àdìbò ìyá wa gbé kalẹ̀ ìlú náà fi tèmi kú o.